कंपटीशन तो अभी चालू हुआ है, अब असली पत्ते जो हैं वो बिछने वाले हैं. Let's call in our top 6.
Poker is not only a game, it's I have already started using it in my life.
Poker is a game which is purely skill, both from a legal perspective as well as from a practical perspective.
Are you ready for poker का punch?
जितनी वकार और जितने भी हमारे टॉप प्लेयर्स हैं, आप लोगों का पत्ता हम काटेंगे.
अनुपमा वापस आ गई तुम. इतनी मुश्किल से निकाला था तुम्हें हमने.
The most common mistake in history is underestimating your opponent. It happens at the poker table all the time. This was said by General David Shoup, and that's actually true. Welcome to this exciting episode of The Player Hunt, where we meet the top 6 players and a host of experts from the field. और हमारे contestants के लिए एक तगड़ा सा twist भी है, लेकिन पहले उनके mentors को बुला देते हैं. Hi Nibby, hi Arman, how's it going?
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good to see you guys. Can we please have our toppers in?
Let's do that, and 4 of which happen to be from my team.
Ooh.
But as a poker player, you know that the tables can turn very unexpectedly here.
But that's true in every sport. और तुम दोनों अभी बच्चों की तरह लड़ना बंद करो और contestants को आपस में भिड़ने दो यार. What about that?
Okay, done.
Let's do it.
All right, guys. Here are our top 6: Vakar, Surbhi, Lakshya, Hemant, Harsh, and Barkha. Well done. Congratulations on the top 6. कैसा लग रहा है?
Thank you.
Coffee excited. Coffee Thank you. Arman bro, I didn't let you down, man.
So proud of you, brother. Well done. Most importantly, याद रखो अब दिल्ली दूर नहीं है. You have to become the ultimate champion.
Yes, मैं निकल पड़ा हूँ sir.
Surbhi, how does it feel to be in the top 6?
Feels amazing. Poker is not only a game, it's I have already started using it in my life.
And I'm so glad and I'm so proud that all of you have made it so far. So yeah, best of luck, guys.
The other girl in the top 6 is Barkha.
I'm excited.
बाकी हमारे लड़के हर्ष आसानी से पहुंच गए top 6 में. Was it easy for you?
I practiced a bit, paid attention to whatever you said.
Just like Lakshya's shades today, I think उनकी सोच में भी दूरबीन लगी हुई है. You visualize yourself in the top 6, right?
Each and every hand that I played, every card that was drawn on the table, I think was just about patience and passion.
Guys, अभी competition तो अभी चालू हुआ है, अब असली पत्ते जो हैं वो बिछने वाले हैं. हेमंत, sportsman, यहाँ पर भी जो competition है काफी high है. What do you say?
हरमन ने बोला अभी दिल्ली दूर नहीं है और हरमन को मैं एक बात बोलना चाहूंगा, मैं दिल्ली में ही हूँ.
But ये जब गई थी, ये इसी चक्कर में बोली थी कि जो दिल्ली वाले हैं उनके ऊपर जाकर उनको हराना है, तभी वो कहते हैं अभी दिल्ली दूर नहीं है. Let's see what happens. Best of luck. Good to see that the Josh is high. Today, we have reached the Y from player, and Y stands for yes! So I'm going to have a rapid fire session with you in pairs. Ready? I love the cold.
Yes!
I can stay in -5 degrees in Kashmir.
No.
Yes!
This round goes to Surbhi. Mumbaikars are the best.
Yes.
Yeah.
Small town player will win this tournament.
No.
No.
Okay, that was a trick question. Not fair, Anuja.
But being sharp and alert is what poker demands. Kheer is better than caviar.
Yes.
One of us will win the player hunt.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Let's now call our first guest. Dhiru 91, aka Dhirendra Kumar, who was at the final table series of the Indian Poker Championship. He is currently working as a sales manager for an international company, and in the last 1.5 years, he has been playing poker and he has won over 60 titles.
Hi everyone.
Are you ready for Poker Ka Punch?
Yeah.
6 questions by our top 6 contestants. Maza aayega.
Yeah.
Hi, Dhirendra. I'm Lakshay. What really I'm curious about is basically how did you begin this journey of poker?
I went for IPC. I was fortunate enough to play with Ran sir as well in the same table. What happened? There was one player, Ayush Girl. He told me that there are few leaks in your game. You can improve upon it if you study. And that's how the journey begins.
Hi Dhirendra, I'm Barkha this side, and I wanted to ask, did you make money overnight?
Yes, this question. How is it possible? It's not possible at all. You know, luck plays a very short period a game only. You can win maybe 1 lakh, 2 lakh, but you will lose eventually because you are not putting that much effort and you don't have that right skill. For me, like once I started with Ayush, I was winning, but very less amount. Then I joined Poker Bootcamp. Where coaches told me that how you can improve your game, how you can study, how you can analyze your game and find out the league, and work upon it. In this manner, I started winning.
नमस्कार धीरेन्द्र, मैं भी आपकी तरह दिल्ली से ही हूँ. My question is, do you only play online poker?
No, bro. So I started with live only, and I was not aware about these online sites at all. But one of my friends told me कि अगर तू बार-बार गोवा क्यों जा रहा है, तू सीधा घर से ही बैठ के खेल सकता है ना. And as this pandemic has come over, we can't go for live events. So I started putting more volume in online.
Hi Dhirendra, I'm Vakar from Thane. What is your lifetime earning and how does it feel being a crorepati?
So bro, like by May end, I think I was on minus 30 lakh, 35. But within 6 months, I was I have crossed 1.5 CR. And it includes all the buying and the 30% TDS. Yeah, but still I'm happy that I have that additional income, which is more than my current pay package at the company where I'm working.
If you have to say a ratio, percentage, आपकी जो सैलरी आती है नॉर्मल जो आपके काम से,
yes sir,
कितना परसेंटेज आपकी टोटल अर्निंग्स का और पोकर से आप कितना कमा रहे हैं?
मेरा जो मंथली पैकेज है वो मैं 2 दिन का मेरा बाइन होता है.
My name is सुरभि और मैं भिलवाड़ा से हूँ. तो मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि आपको पोकर ने क्या-क्या चीजों में मदद की?
Patience. I was very impatient. मैं डिसीजन ऐसे abruptly ले लेता था. But as you have started playing poker, you know कि you have to fold at least 70 to 80% of the hand. और वो patience मेरे को इसी गेम से आया है. Second, I will say discipline. Like you have to draw the line. आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना होगा कि हाउ मच अमाउंट यू कैन अफोर्ड टू लूज. इसके लिए आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबली गेम खेलना बहुत जरूरी है. प्ले रिस्पॉन्सिबली.
Thank you so much, Dhiru. Best of luck. Oh, Harban and Nibby, you've been mentoring these contestants really well, and I'm just going to bring in a couple of other people. आप लोग उनको पहले मिल लो, then we'll figure out कि क्या हो रहा है उनके. Surprise!
Hello everyone, how's it going?
कौन आ रहा है?
Hi.
Priyanshi
Hi.
Hello.
and Sarthak. Hi guys.
Hi.
What's happening?
Hey guys.
How's everything?
Wow.
Are you guys surprised or shocked? Happy or upset?
Both.
Surprise.
Surprise.
Together.
What a surprise.
Our next guest is Mr. Morris Norona, who is a poker player, but very interestingly, he actually helped the needy survive in the lockdown in Mumbai through his poker earnings. Hi, Mr. Morris. How are you doing?
It's such a pleasure seeing you.
Likewise.
God bless you.
I think somewhere on Instagram I did come across जब आप help कर रहे थे लोगों की. But आज मुझे एक और चीज reveal हुई है that it was through all your poker earnings that you had. You actually helped people with that money. That's amazing.
When I was in school, my 8th, 9th and 10th standard books were bought by my principal because we could not afford to buy books. And I made it a point that whenever I get a chance where I can serve people, I would always come out and serve people. And today it's been 16 years. I live in Borivali IC Colony, Mumbai. It's been 16 years I serve the slums where I stay. We have a slum of 80,000 people on the left and I have a slum of 16,000 people on the right.
That's amazing. Nibby, Harman, let's ask Mr. Morris about his journey and stuff like that. Harman?
Mr. Morris, सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए कि आप पोकर की दुनिया में घुसे कैसे? How did you start? How did all of this come together?
1998 में I used to work for Disney Cruise Liners Port Canaveral, Orlando. तो वहाँ पहली बार मेरी पोकर से मुलाकात हो गई थी at the casino in Bahamas. तो वहाँ जब पहली बार पोकर खेला तो it was just it's a game, it's a 5-card game. And then in 2010 when I took it ahead, for me where poker is concerned, it is like English. I keep studying it on and on and on, and it's a blessing. I love playing.
So I believe that you also played at World Series of Poker Tables in LA. So can you tell us a bit about that experience?
Started playing the World Series of Poker in 2012 at Las Vegas. I've always played these small games, and then I played a tournament where there were 24,000 people playing in one event, and I cashed out. I was the first Indian to cash out in 2015. And because it's poker, you get to meet people of different countries. You get to learn a lot.
So I also want to ask you, what's on the cards for you? What's next? And how's your poker journey continuing?
Well, I was supposed to fly on December 3rd to Las Vegas to play poker again. This would be the cash games that I play. I fly 18 times a year to Las Vegas only to play poker.
Tough life, man. Honestly, tough life.
अरे सर बहुत tough life है सर, बहुत मेहनत करना.
जब आप खेलते हैं ऐसे as a player, how do you represent your country?
My God, आपने इतनी बहुत अच्छी बात की सर. I'll tell you. It is a dream of all we Indians who go from here to Las Vegas. It is a dream that one day we cash out any one event of the World Series of Poker, because if you cash out any one event, they play your national anthem there. Now that is a blessing. It's a blessing.
Thank you so much, Morris. What a nice interaction, Harman and Nibi. What do you think?
Very nice.
I think that was really good. Yeah, really amazing.
Hi, Sunita. Hi, Anupama. What's happening?
Hi. It's so wonderful to meet all of you.
Honestly, सबसे ज़्यादा खुश मैं ही हूँ. सबसे ज़्यादा उन लोग मेरे ही चेहरे पे.
अनुपमा वापस आ गई तुम. इतनी मुश्किल से निकाला था तुम्हें हमने.
Anupama, have you finally learned how to play poker?
Yes, absolutely. And especially since it's online, it is super fun for beginners like me. और ये जितने भी वकार और जितने भी हमारे टॉप प्लेयर्स हैं, आप लोगों का पत्ता हम काटेंगे.
Wow. Reunion. Coming up next is our guest who can answer every legal question on gaming and sports. Vaibhav Gaggar, partner Gaggar and Associates, solicitors and advocates, and the legal expert in the field of gaming. Vaibhav Gaggar, sir, how are you?
Very well run, Vijay. How are you doing?
Really happy to see you. And look at this, we have so many people.
Hi, my name is Survi.
Hi,
I feel that I'm yet confused that online poker is allowed, but we don't have casinos in India where we could play.
Poker is not a casino game. Just get that very clearly. I think for everyone to understand. There are championships in poker. You guys are all contestants. You guys are competing against each other. If it was luck, it wouldn't have mattered. Right? But like any other sport, poker has legends of the sport, right? You have the Tendulkars of poker, so as to say, who won the world championship 7, 8, 9 times, right? For anyone to imagine that it could happen by luck would be absurd. Therefore, it's not necessarily casino. You have a number of states where offline poker is also regulated and allowed.
Hi, Vaibhav. Are there any specific acts in India that states that online poker is legal in specific states in India?
Interesting one, Lakshay. So, I'm sorry, I'm going to have to bore you slightly with this, but you'll have to understand in India, jurisprudentially, whether it is through judicial precedents, that's what the Supreme Court would say, or through legislatures, right? There is a distinction between a game of skill and a game of chance. A game of skill, even if played for stake, is regular business, legitimate, and therefore legal, right? You are protected. It becomes a fundamental right of yours, like any other business.
That's amazing. Tell me, sir, what do you see as the future of online gaming in India from a legal standpoint?
I think it's at a very, very interesting place because you've got recently the courts as well as the politicians, all of them saying that this has to be a regulated domain throughout the country, right? Until now, they were all pulling in different directions, but now all of them are saying bring about a regulated framework so that everything is clear and transparent. There is no ambiguity. There is no under-the-table nonsense that is happening.
Thank you so much, Vaibhav, sir. This has been amazing. I'm sure all the contestants, even our mentors are really happy that they heard from you. Thank you so much for your time. We call our next guest or decide who is coming, who's going, हो क्या रहा है कि next guest?
क्यों भाई इतना suspense कर रहे हो? Just get it over with. Call the next guest.
Hemant, if anybody knows this about Run, ये तो आप जानते हो, he's the prankster dude. I can't even tell you guys, ये कल ही की बात है. 24 घंटे पहले की बात है. हम दोनों एक साथ एयरपोर्ट पे गए. फ्लाइट बोर्ड करने से 10 मिनट पहले अनाउंसमेंट हुई, प्लीज टेक योर फेस शील्ड्स and the robes. So I was just like sitting around say, and suddenly they're like, sir, you're sitting on the middle seat, you need to wear this. And I was like, did this man purposely just book my ticket on the middle seat? So I was looking like a joker.
अच्छा लग रहा था मेरा भाई. I just wanted to protect him even more, यार. अब अगर मैं पोल खोने लगा तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगी. Let's just move on to our next guest. Yes, I said guest because we have a duo who shows how helping others while playing online poker is a possibility. Hi, Ryan. First of all, we're really happy to have you. Tell us about Poker for a Cause and your association with it.
We actually started Poker for a Cause when COVID hit and hit us really, really bad. What we figured was stray dogs actually had nowhere to go. They had no human companions on the road. They had no bakeries where people would help them with biscuits. There was no garbage on the road, so they couldn't even scurry there, right? So what we figured was we had to do something where we could help these dogs. So what we did, we came up with a plan where we said, let's start the first all-cash poker game, a tournament of kinds where we bring in people, like-minded people, to come in and play. And while playing, Poker High gave us a part of their earnings, and they matched the amount to what was actually raised by us. We raised 12.5 lakhs in a matter of 2 months. We took care of 30,000 families. That includes around 100,000 individuals. We took care of 1,500 dogs in Cuba. Month on month till the end of this year. 15 national athletes with voting kits.
That's amazing. And you're not going to stop, right? Because this is something that's working. Also, in this whole journey, you were helped with you were helped by Aviva. Should we get her on?
Please bring Aviva on. She's one of our best influencers.
Hi, Aviva. How's it going?
Hi, how are you?
Very good to see you. For all the contestants and our viewers, आपके नाम का मतलब क्या है?
My name means springtime in Hebrew.
Tell us about this whole journey with Ryan. He was talking about this. Look, this just seems like the thing to do, man. You enjoy, you play the sport that you want to, and then you're doing all these good deeds.
I think I've always been interested in, supporting animals because they just don't have a voice, or enough of a voice rather. I was so honored to be on board. I wanted to do everything in my power just because of the message and their heart.
Thank you so much, Ryan and Aviva, for actually, it's not, you're not inspiring them to play poker. You're actually inspiring them कि poker के बाद या poker की वजह से कितना अच्छा हो रहा है. So thank you so much, guys.
मैं कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ. I'm actually genuinely feeling very proud that I'm part of this game. मुझे honestly बिल्कुल भी idea या उम्मीद नहीं थी कि पोकर खेल के कोई किसी कॉज को सपोर्ट कर सकता होगा. जब रायन और अवीवा कह रहे थे तो I could relate, क्योंकि पैंडेमिक के टाइम genuinely बहुत दिक्कत हो गई थी एनिमल्स को खाना प्रोवाइड करने के लिए. Like literally we used to feel कि I used to pray every single day, भगवान पैसे कम ना पड़े बस. And I used to pray every single day कि कोई जानवर भूखा ना सोए और कोई फीडर को पैसे की कमी ना हो, फूड की कमी ना हो.
ये तो आपने सबने इमोशनल कर दिया है. But here's the kicker. You guys have a chance of being back. ये जो बाकी के 6 तुम में से कोई नहीं जा रहा है. हेमंत, लक्ष्य, बरखा, हर्ष, वकार and Surbhi, you've actually won your stripes. पर गेम के फॉर्मेट के लिए 2 और कंटेस्टेंट्स चाहिए. So here we're going to have 2 wild cards that will be back.
Wow.
Yes. Now we're going to have fun.
Yeah. Since we need 8 people and Nibby has 4 players, he gets a chance to pick 2 players as wild cards.
Yeah.
But just because Nibby has already got 4 doesn't mean that she has no power. If Harman wants someone, Nibby gets a chance to veto once. Okay, Nibby?
So she can veto saying that no, you can't take this person after I say the name once.
आप में से कोई 2 लोग अंदर आने वाले हैं. हरमन की चॉइस है, लेकिन निबी आपके रास्ते में एक रुकावट हो सकती है. Best of luck, guys. Harman.
I will choose to get back Dr. Sunita from my team, Rule Breakers. Welcome back, Doc. And you will be in Girl Power. and Sarthak from Rule Breakers from Dude Devils.
No. This one I veto.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 100%.
I'll take Avni from Big Dreamers and Rule Breakers.
Oh wow!
You
well
bluff.
played, Arman. Well played.
So bad.
What can I say?
कई बहस पानी में.
That was good, yeah. But from this point onwards, no more shockers, I promise. 4 players will compete in the next episode where the top 2 will be found. In the next episode, 4 more will compete and a new set of top 2 will emerge. Now, these 4 will compete in the grand finale and the best woman or man will be crowned the winner of the player hunt.
Oh, sudden all roge te ashika roge. And guess what, guys? The winner of the player hunt and the favorite contestant both win a free trip to a very, very interesting location.
That too with a companion. You know what? There's a companion involved in the history of poker too. It is believed to have evolved from dominoes and rank card combinations. It was back in 969 AD that Emperor Musang is said to have played domino cards with his wife. What's more interesting is that bluffing was an integral part to that game, and so it is today too. Till next time, India, play responsibly. We are getting closer to finding the player.
Player hunt में खुलेंगे सबके राज. She was just betting on anything and everything.
Start में Avni was bluffing a lot.
Whenever I will play the game, I will always think of all of you.
ये जो आप बटर लगा रहे हो उसका यहाँ पर कोई फायदा नहीं है.
The positive energy that people have, like especially somebody like you.
ये होता है एक मेंटोर का बड़ा भाई होने का फायदा.
Love कौन करता है, flush कौन करता है, rush कौन करता है.
Love कौन करता है तक तो सब ठीक थे. Flush कौन करता है पे सबने कहा है.
But hey, play responsibly, India.
I will reveal more in the next episode. आखिर लाइफ में कुछ सस्पेंस होना चाहिए.